Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you how to get a crystal mutations mythic fish to complete the Aetherion paid quest in Fish It. First, make sure you already have a cave crystal like this. If you don't have one yet, just check the tutorial in the descriptions to watch the full tutorial. And then next, just equip the crystal like this, and then just tap on your character like this, and the buff will activate, and you will see a crystal icon with a timer in bottom right corner like this. And then after that, because this is a mythic phase, make sure to use your best rod and base bit for higher chances, like you can use a Goswin rod or an singularity bit. And after that, just start fishing and just keep trying until you get the mythic phase with crystallized mutations. And once you get it, you can use it to complete the Aetherion paid quest. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.